Congratulations, Postanes Disco Mobile. Tony. Coming back. Knockdown. Out of more than 10 sound systems. Of course, we awarded him with cash prize and a Shure microphone. And the champion for Battle Knockdown is Love Disco Mobile! Woo!
Once again, congratulations, Love Disco Mobile!
With BY Max Coffee Mix, Max Coffee 4-in-1 and wirings. Sino may pinakamagandang setup ng wires and lights?
And Mama Max, the winner will receive Shure microphone PGA 59 Pro trophy, 1 box of Max Coffee Mix 4-in-1, 1 box BY Max Coffee, and of course we have a certificate of participation.
First runner-up, best in setup, lights and wiring is Gerald's Lights and Sound.
Once again, Gerald's Lights and Sound.
Gerald's Mobile Sounds, Lambi Aoy.
Congratulations to Vanessa Disco Mobile.
Once again, congratulations, Vanessa Disco Mobile.
They will receive a plaque.
Receive Shure microphone, PGA 59 Pro, 1 box Max Coffee Mix 4-in-1, 1 box BY Max Coffee, and a certificate of appreciation.
Congratulations! First runner-up, best loud and clear. Intensity Disco Mobile.
Once again, congratulations, Intensity Disco Mobile.
Next is the champion for best loud and clear.
Champion will receive a Shure microphone PGA 59 Pro, a trophy, 1 box of Max Coffee Mix 4-in-1, 1 box of VY Max Coffee, and a certificate of appreciation.
Champion, best loud and clear, goes to the sound system of Mira Lunas. Yari ka!
Congratulations, Luna Sound!
Mira Luna Sounds. This is Team Turbo.
Yari ka! Luna Sounds backing the champion for best loud and clear.
Oh. Mira Luna Sounds.
Move on.
Yari ka!
Best in SPL or sound pressure level. Second runner-up will receive.
Second runner-up will receive 1 unit mixing console for channels, 1 box Max Coffee Mix 4-in-1, 1 box of VY Max Coffee, and a certificate of appreciation.
Congratulations! Backing the second runner-up for best in SPL, Diaz Lights and Sound.
Congratulations once again, Diaz Lights and Sound.
SPL.
For First runner-up will receive 1 unit mixing console, 7 channels, 1 box of Max Coffee Mix 4-in-1, 1 box of VY Max Coffee, and a certificate of appreciation.
First runner-up goes to the sound system of our brother, Bro Ojo. For Best in SPL.
Champion for Best in SPL will receive 1 unit amplifier live GM 1500 23,760, 1 box of Max Coffee Mix 4-in-1, 1 box of VY Max Coffee, and trophy, of course, meron din pong certificate of appreciation. This is it, Pansit!
Like how much yung ganyan?
It
sa
costs
left?
23,760 pesos.
Wow! Congratulations! Best in SPL!
At maswerte pa ngayong gabi dahil sa Toscoin, siya ang nanalo.
OMG! Congratulations! Take on your mobile!
Once again,